At DOGA, we've been moving the world through engineering for more than 60 years. We were born in the automotive industry, and over time, we've powered countless applications with electric motors and mechatronic systems designed to last. As regulations drive the shift toward lighter mobility, technical solutions must evolve accordingly. That's why the choice of technology, the motor philosophy, and European manufacturing standards are fundamental pillars of our approach. Transmitting power directly to the wheel without loading the drivetrain is a vital concept in the urban environment, where reliability in daily transport plays a decisive role. Our motor is mounted directly on the wheel using direct drive technology, enabling regenerative use to extend range, eliminate gears, and reduce maintenance. That's why it can be integrated into any urban or cargo e-bike without modifying the frame, giving manufacturers the opportunity to create light vehicles with greater autonomy, durability, and quality standards at the level of the automotive industry.